The Koova heavy-duty garage storage rack turns unused ceiling space into a sturdy overhead zone for 6 large storage totes, freeing up valuable floor area in a crowded garage. Its modular rails can be spaced to match different tote sizes, so you can fine-tune the layout for holiday decorations, camping gear, or bulky sports equipment. The heavy-gauge steel construction feels solid in hand and is powder-coated, giving it both a clean look and excellent resistance to garage humidity and dust. Each rail is rated to hold a substantial amount of weight, and together they provide enough capacity for fully loaded totes without sagging or wobbling when properly installed. The design is straightforward enough for a patient do-it-yourself installer, with a secure mounting method that locks the totes in place so they do not slide out accidentally. Being manufactured in the United States with pro-grade materials and backed by a long-term guarantee, it feels like a buy-once solution for getting bins off the floor and under control.